Happy New Year! How are you all? God bless! Good morning! Ganito ba yung ulam na gusto mo for your breakfast? Ayan, ang sarap nito ano? Ayan, so yummy! Super yummy! Super good! Super yummy! Milkfish good! Super yummy! Milkfish good! Super yummy! Daing good. Ayan, daing na bangus po guys. Ang sarap nito. Meron akong daing bangus dito. Kailangan kong idaing kasi na-miss ko na rin. Ayan, yung favorite ko sa part ng bangus ay yung bandang tiyan niya. Kasi mataba. Ayan. With fried rice. Wow, ang sarap naman ito. Ayan, itlog. Ayun, super yummy. O, diba? This is my favorite, but of course, matanda na tayo, need to list our food. Okay? Ayan. Super yummy talaga, oh. Super yummy, 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 super yummy. Super yummy. Super good. Daing good. Milkfish good. Prito na bangus. Ayan. Pritong bangus, guys. Ang sarap nito, guys, oh. Pritong bangus. Pritong bangus, tomatoes, ladyfinger, and rice. Ayan. Ito naman is fried bangus, fried rice, egg, fried egg, and longganisa. Ayan. At ito naman is fried rice, tomatoes, suka na sausawan, fried daing milkfish. Ayan. Super yummy talaga. Ayan. Dito naman is with talong, fried eggplant, toyo with chili, sausawan, tomatoes, rice, and of course, daing na bangus. Pinrito siya. Ayan. Super sarap. Super yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Happy New Year! Happy New Year sa inyong lahat.